Say hi, boys. Say hi.
Hey, hi boys.
Welcome to What the Fuck Was Last Week, where we do a weekly recap of what happened, what was fun, interesting, exciting in pop culture last week, so that you don't have to go to 10 other places. You come here, we will take you to all the places on the live, and we will discover new things with you. What happened last week, we figure that out with you. You just watch this one video or one live, and you are set for the week's pop culture news. Is the
That
news
guy
thing.
hates Salman Khan. What is his beef Salman Khan ke saath exactly?
So he directed Dabangg, the first one. So Anubhav, I think, was trying to. He's the guy who made Dabangg. But originally, I think the idea of Dabangg was a very rustic film. The way that Anurag Kashyap usually makes, so थोड़ी grounded down to earth, gangs of Wasipur vibe type
Hmm,
की, small town में cop.
gritty.
When Salman Khan came onto the project, then he's a big, larger than life guy, and he had just done Wanted, I think. So Wanted के बाद वो larger than life vibe establish हो गई थी. So they tried to get that vibe of Wanted into Dabangg. तो rustic story को बहुत मसाला entertainer mix करने की कोशिश करी.
Hmm.
I think it worked.
See, I think it's very enjoyable. Obviously, light-hearted, entertaining. Hai. It's not trying to be too serious. Obviously, as serious as it needs to be. Type scene.
I think both the Kashyap brothers have just become so aggressive about it now. Anurag Kashyap has been going out and saying Bollywood is crap, Bollywood is crap, Bollywood is crap. He's also built on Bollywood. And
उसके सारे opportunities ही उधर से हैं.
he made those opportunities. No doubt that he is the reason why he's got that work, but he's also got that work because the industry it existed and was there with this ecosystem. Someone from that ecosystem, good, bad, ugly, came and said कि चलो इसके साथ काम करें. There is a certain structure in place, and you're trying to be a part of that structure. Good things, bad things तो हर structure में होते हैं ना. Anubhav going out, he's gone. He's not giving opinion. He's just bashing.
उसकी हर चीज को ही क्रिटिसाइज करने लग गया है. नॉट जस्ट उसका बिहेवियर ना, इट्स लाइक उसकी
Like
हाइट,
health.
उसका वेट. सून एनफ इज गोना कमेंट उसके साइज पे. लाइक 7 इंच का. अरे मैंने देखा उसका 2 इंच
अरे
का.
he's already done it, bro. He's already said
What?
something like हाँ कि बेल्ट के नीचे below the belt comments he's made कि पैड.
लिटरली.
हाँ he said कि कमर के ऊपर मोटा, कमर के नीचे ऐसा. He said some shit, bro. He said a lot of shit he said.
एंग्री ग्रैंडफादर शाउटिंग एट द टीवी वाली एनर्जी तो आ रही उसकी. आई जस्ट रिमेंबर कि कोई और बॉयकॉट हो रहा था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर हु. एंड देन तापसी एंड दिस गाय वर लाइक हां हमें भी बॉयकॉट करो और समथिंग. एंड
Oh,
yeah, they did get
oh yeah, I
boycotted.
thought I thought that was Thappad only
Not
then.
थप्पड़. नहीं थप्पड़ तो
नहीं.
काफी सक्सेसफुल मूवी थी आई थिंक.
She has a film
निशान.
called Mission Impossible.
Impossible. निशान नामुमकिन.
Why there was a film I remember where Taapsee had said कि हाँ boycott कर देंगे, boycott नहीं तो कर दो. Which is just, I feel like these are the people who you used to be, right? You came from there. You were not, from what I know, Taapsee is not from a film family. You had every right to like or hate a film, right? And it is somewhere a responsibility, a duty also when you're making films कि वो चीज़ बनाए जो लोगों को देख के अच्छा लगे. And then you come and you say कि नहीं कर दो, boycott कर दो. भाई that's disrespecting in this case the customer, right? It's like the customer is always like restaurant में गए हाँ खाना
You're
नहीं पसंद तो
laughing
मत
at the
खाओ.
customer basically.
हाँ इट्स लाइक रेस्टोरेंट चला रहे हो तुम, हाँ खाना नहीं पसंद है तो निकलना क्या. नहीं खाना नहीं
खुद
मानता ऐसे
बना ले.
करेंगे.
खुद पका ले. I mean that is the logic they're given.
हाँ, नहीं अच्छा है तो खुद पका ले.
खुद पका ले. तू बन जा शेफ. तू खोल ले अपना रेस्टोरेंट.
Too much with Kajol and Twinkle.
अरे हाँ, ये उस दिन गलती से चल गया था मेरे से.
Amir Khan told him कि यार after Andaz Apna Apna I went out on interviews and I said कि I would love to work with Salman Khan again because you know he doesn't come on time, वो professional नहीं है ये वो. And Salman is like भाई तू उस टाइम पे एक मूवी कर रहा था, मैं उस टाइम पे 15 मूवी कर रहा था. मैं दिन में 4 बार शूट पे जाता था, तो obviously मेरे को नींद नहीं मिल रही, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. और तू 20-20 रीटेक लेता था, मैं वहाँ पे एक टेक में निकल के चला जाता था.
Has anyone watched Homebound? Is it Oscar worthy?
मैंने देखी नहीं अभी तक यार, honestly.
किसकी? So you're saying करण जौहर की directed movie है वो?
Karan Johar has produced it. I don't think he has directed it. See, this is the whole format, guys. You find out things that we also don't know, and you ask us
we
things,
all-
and then we realize, oh, अच्छा, ये भी चीज़ है.
Group study session है basically.
Group
मतलब इसमें भी जानवी कपूर है. So that's her third or second movie this month.
Oh no, that makes it her third movie in the last 2 months. Param Sundari, this one, and Sunny Sanskari.
Mm-hmm.
And that is a wild amount of films releasing in one go. Arey, this is some original story from a New York Times 2020 essay.
हाँ, वो नाम से ही थोड़ा ऐसा थोड़ा intellectual सा कुछ तो लगा था.
2 young migrant workers in Surat who were caught in COVID-19. They were trying to get home.
Oh, that's a nice. हाँ तो हम अभी से ही कोविड के बारे में नॉस्टैल्जिक है, दैट मींस वी आर ऑलरेडी मेकिंग कोविड मूवीज। वो गेम स्पॉट
2020
वाली मूवी भी कोविड मूवी थी।
आई मीन 2020 को ऑलरेडी 2025 5 साल हो गए.
Oh God, it's been half a decade. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it is bona fide nostalgia.
Yeah, I mean 5 years is nostalgic.
Bro, but it's
Makes
so crazy. It just hit me that one of the best films that Bollywood has made in recent times, according to reviewers and critics, हमने नहीं देखी अभी, is made on a news article. The screenplay is derived from a news article.
inspiration can come from anywhere.
Bhai, I'm saying that there are writers and people making films and stories, and Bollywood gets bashed all the time, right? कि अच्छी movie नहीं है, अच्छी story नहीं है, क्या बना रहे हो? It's directed by Neeraj Gewan. Hey, Neeraj Gewan.
Neeraj, what?
Neeraj
I mean, I was genuinely asking.
Oh, so he made Masan also.
Karan Johar is saying, I will not make another one of these because it's not for profit. Such a movie you can't believe that was made by Karan Johar. Like Yodha, Kill, Jigra, Homebound, and Dhadak 2.
Because now he did sell off half the stake of Dharma to Adar Poonawalla. In fact, Adar Poonawalla is the guy who sold the COVID vaccine.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember news में.
So Adar Poonawalla is the guy who owns Serum Institute of India. He built the whole. तो उनके लिए काफी relevant film निकली with Karan and others collaboration.
Dhadak 2 was insane apparently. Surprised Karan Johar is making these kind of movies now.
I think he's always tried to balance it out. मुझे भी पहले लगा था, मैं पहले सोच रहा था कि मैं थोड़ा रोस्ट कर देता हूँ, क्रिटिसाइज कर देता हूँ अबाउट होमबाउंड, कि अच्छा ये जब बाकी मूवीज बना रहे थे तब नहीं सोचा, when all those flaws, नादानिया was being made under Dharmatic, तब नहीं सोचा था कि ये क्या बना रहे हो. But they have actually they've been making good films in recent times, like reasonable experimentation. Yeah, Sunny Sanskari के पहले धड़क 2, which is apparently it's a great film, people are loving it. Then they made
Dhadak
Sarzam.
1 में क्या हुआ था?
सैरात की मराठी फिल्म की उन्होंने जो रीमेक बनाई थी जानवी कपूर के साथ. जानवी कपूर का लॉन्च था विद ईशान खट्टर.
Oh, launch.
And
Oh, that must have been a while ago then.
one was class उसके ऊपर disparity के ऊपर था, where a higher class girl, you know, rich family and all, falls in love with a guy who's from a lower class. How to say, honor killing के ऊपर थी movie.
Oh,
So
okay.
interesting film. A lot of people don't like it because they compare it to the original, which is Sairat, and they're like वो तो बहुत ही अच्छी थी. I'm assuming थोड़ा धर्मा ने थोड़ा उसमें entertainment डाला था, थोड़ा उसको grander बनाया था, but it worked for me. I hadn't seen the original, worked for me. Himesh Mankar joining DCA as advisor.
पहले मैंने DCU पढ़ा.
But अब सुपरमैन किसको टाइगर श्रॉफ को कास्ट
जेम्स गन को रिप्लेस कर रहा है हिमेश मानकर.
showrunner of DCU is now Himesh Mankar. Actually, the Himesh Mankar thing is also interesting because DCA plays a they're a fairly smart organization, right? There was this one guy who was critiquing people on their red carpet appearances. कि क्या कपड़े पहन के आ गए हैं लोग, what is this? And this one guy was really critiquing people on that. And the DCA was like, ठीक है, इसको हम sign कर लेते हैं. DCA signed him as a talent. So now he doesn't say that many negative things about DCA का talent. Okay, right, ठीक है, just buy out the enemy. I think Himesh Mankar maybe could it be possible that he was criticizing the films too much, and they're like ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही हमें negative बातें कर रहा है, let's just sign him on board and now he's with us. Now he can't say shit to us. I would love to. Just remembered the wildest thing. T-Series has released a song with Meet Bros, where Vikrant Masse is there, Rajkumar Rao is there, bunch of other folks are there, Varun Dhawan is there, and they're all singing "Modi hai to mumkin hai."
It was a meme. Modi hai to pumpkin hai.
Halloween is coming, guys.
Halloween के लिए.
उस पे बहुत backlash आ रहा है. They're like, why? How are actors, supporting one political party and all? But I'm also like, भाई Prime Minister बोल रहा है कि मेरे को म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाना है, तुम उसमें एक कैमियो दोगे, तुम कैसे मना करोगे? What are you going to say? नहीं.
हाँ, ये लोग इन सेलिब्रिटीज के पीछे कभी-कभी थोड़ा अननेसेसरीली पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. रिमेंबर हनुमान काइंड ने कुछ तो किया था परफॉर्मेंस एंड मोदी वाज एट द परफॉर्मेंस एंड मोदी चढ़ गया स्टेज पे एंड ठीक है, हनुमान काइंड हग्ड हिम क्योंकि ही वाज ऑन स्टेज और सब लोग ये इंस्टाग्राम पे, ओ माय गॉड ही इज सपोज्ड टू स्टैंड फॉर ये वो हाउ कैन यू ये वो. भाई मोदी आके तुम उसके गले मिलना चाहे तुम थोड़ी बोलोगे कि पूरे कैमरास के सामने नहीं, I want to stand.
I don't want to hug the prime minister. And also, it's a big deal that the prime minister is leaving his security to or coming on stage to hug you.
You're just being a decent person. ठीक है भाई, मेरे को उसके बारे में जो भी opinion हो, वो आके मेरे को hug कर रहा है सबके सामने. Why would I make a big deal out of that, ना?
कोई भी fan होगा, कोई जो stage पे चढ़ गया कभी, a lot of people do that. Like they don't throw them off the stage. They're like, okay, let them come. किसी तरह they.
Also, मोदी को कैसे how will you throw off stage?
In the first
place?
What do you do in this this situation exactly.
Just hug him back. Even if you don't want to, just do it. मतलब it really.
It's just polite.
हाँ, it's just it's basic decency. चाहे मेरे को उसके बारे में जो भी feelings हो.
Yeah, you might feel good, bad, but this guy's come. One, he's attended your work, huh? You are doing some concert, he's come to it. Most powerful person in the country says, bro, I want to make a music video. Like, he's just trying to chill also. मित्रों, एक म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाने का प्लान था, तो वरुण धवन को थोड़ा फोन किया जाए, तो वरुण को बता रहे, हाँ मोदी जी एक वीडियो बना रहे हैं, आप बस एक सेल्फी शॉट दे देना अपने उस पे, हम डाल देंगे उसमें. प्रोड्यूस कौन करे? टी सीरीज. ऑब्वियसली कौन मना कैसे करोगे तुम भाई?
हाँ, कैसे मना करोगे ब्रो? Obviously there's.
It's like मोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है. And then this is how these guys have appeared.
What? Bro, ये तो ऐसे AI नहीं लग रहा है ये
Bro,
वरुण धवन.
इतना much, bro, this looks like a fake one.
It looks like AI. It looks like वो जो AI कल ही मैं दिखा रहा था, इसमें पूरा बॉडी को ही वो रिप्लेस कर देता है, not just face. उसने किसी और से करा के बस फिल्टर डाल दिया.
मैं सेट पे हूँ, मैं बिजी हूँ.
Bro, सच में AI लग रहा है. I'm not even joking now. ऐसे थोड़ा जिटरी सा आता है.
Bro, look at Arshad Varsi's frame.
गफूर आ गया, यही था मैं.
हाँ, he was Gafoor, bro. I feel like he's got a teleprompter, but it is so far away from the camera. And he's like, maybe I'll make it dramatic by making it like angle.
मोदी है तो pumpkin.
So Rajkumar just went to the roof. He's like, हाँ, पीछे सफेद दीवार पे.
Have you seen राजकुमार राव का घी बेचने वाला? I'm sure हमें उसे मीम कैप करना पड़ेगा very soon.
मैंने नहीं देखा. I'm assuming it's some poverty.
Just हाँ, कि वो गरीब दिखता है तो वो घी बेचता है. That's the whole joke. घी बेचता भी नहीं है, घी चुराता है. Apparently the new meme is कि दिवाली को रात को सारे दियाज में से घी चुराएगा.
Oh my god, bro. That is so. Oh god, that's
clever
so
though,
mean though.
That's a good idea though, ना? मतलब घी बस दियों में से जाके चुरा लो.
I don't think लोग दियों में घी डालते हैं, लोग दियों में तेल डालते हैं.
I think कुछ लोग घी डालते हैं, कुछ लोग तेल डालते हैं. It's an option, right?
For
ये
some
भी आ
reason.
गया भाई. ऐसा लग रहा है वो मोदी कॉस्प्ले कर रहा है, but like he didn't have.
Budget कम था.
Rajkumar bought ghee from this paycheck. Expectation on Thama.
Maddock has been doing very well in building this universe, and I'm very happy to see Ayushmann Khurrana making a comeback. वो भाई ने अपने करियर की बेस्ट मूवी दी, Action Hero. It was one of the best movies of his career. And
Really, I didn't like Action Hero much, and उसका track record उससे पहले बहुत better था to call it one of his best movies.
Yeah, I'm also going from a perspective where all his earlier movies were heartland films where he was playing that relatable small town boy next door. Yeah, even
मैं कहाँ से फंस गया इसमें? वो रोल हर से. अब मैं मेरे को क्यों फंसा रहे हो उसमें?
पूरी
हर
vibe.
मूवी में उसका वही vibe रहता है.
अरे लड़की नहीं पट रही मेरी वाली यार, कोई और आके पटा रहा है. अरे
तू अपना देख, मुझे क्यों इसमें?
नौकरी नहीं मिल रही, फोन पे लड़की की आवाज बना के बात करनी पड़ रही है भाई. भाई पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास, डोनर बनना पड़ रहा है स्पर्म का. That was the whole zone. I think after COVID people kind of like, हाँ हमें पता ही है. And he's done good films ना, Article 15 and all also he's done.
Yeah, exactly. वही मैं सोच रहा था. Article 15 type, अंधाधुन types, obviously.
You could actually go and watch those films with your whole family and everybody would enjoy it. Take away भी होता था. जैसे कुछ चीजें हैं जो मे बी आपके पेरेंट्स थोड़े से कंजर्वेटिव होते हैं. तो when they see in this movie this is a boundary that they're trying to push, वो भी एक comfort zone को हल्का सा ही push करती है इस टाइप की मूवी. The kind of films that he was doing. I'm excited for Ayushmann Khurrana. I'm not so sure about vampires in Bollywood though.
Have we had a vampire in Bollywood? लास्ट में कोई याद है मॉर्बियस, ऑब्वियसली वो तो हॉलीवुड था, बट लाइक मुझे तो पहले बचपन में लगता था जब वैम्प बोलते हैं ना टीवी शो में, वैम्प बनना है, वैम्प का रोल, मैं कहूँ ऐसा कहता वैम्पायर की बात हो रही है. सारे वैम्पायर टीवी शोज हैं.
ड्रेस भी ऐसे सांप वाली बिंदी लगा के होते थे, तो मतलब कुछ तो एक क्रेजी.
उनको ये काटता है तो सांप है, मतलब नॉट बैट.
देयर इज अ मराठी फिल्म मेड बाय आदित्य सरपोटदार. बहुत क्रेजी फिल्म है. इट वाज अ ज़ॉम्बीवली. इट वाज अ ज़ॉम्बी फिल्म.
हां, I know. मैं अभी इसी के बारे में सोच रहा था एक्चुअली.
So he made that film, and when I saw that film, I was like, यार ये तो बड़ी underrated सी ऐसे under the radar चली गई movie. I was like, ये बंदा ने killer, he's taken a global concept and really made it relevant to India. वो काफी अच्छा adaptation लगा मुझे कि इंडिया में उतने अच्छे से कोई adaptation नहीं किया है of a foreign concept which is zombie.
Even Go Go Gone was I think very derivative of थोड़ा Hollywood. मतलब अच्छी थी, but उसमें I think Indianness नहीं थी Go Go Gone में.
हाँ, but Thama is also being directed by Aditya Sarpotdar. So I think that then that gives me more faith.
Full support हमारी तरफ से उसको.
Aditya full support दी है आपके पीछे हमने.
हकदार हुआ.
सपोर्ट के हकदार हुआ हम. वायरफ also has a spy-verse. उसकी War 2 देखी मैंने आज.
क्योंकि अभी Netflix पे आई है.
War 2 I feel like थोड़ी ज्यादा hated film है unnecessarily.
मेरी पूरी फैमिली वॉक आउट हो गई थी इंटरवल में, मैं तो गया भी नहीं था साथ में.
मैं भी थिएटर में नहीं देख पाता ऑनेस्टली. आई थिंक दे मेड अ रियली टेरिबल ट्रेलर ऑल्सो. दे टुक द वर्स्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ द फिल्म एंड दे पुट इट इन द ट्रेलर. और जब मैं मूवी देखी मैंने कहा ये वाला एक्शन सीन तो एक्चुअली अच्छा भी दिख रहा है, ट्रेलर में तो ये डालते ना बेस्ट वाला.
War 1 तो was pretty positively received ना. I know उसमें थोड़ा सा silliness था, वो plastic surgery वगैरह वगैरह, but that's fine. वो तो spy movies में तो इतना campiness होते हैं. And I liked the stunts in War 1 a lot.
War 2
Fight
में they
scenes.
try to do that also. See, because Tiger to does the fight scenes also, na. It is he's a stunt guy. He does the stunts, and that's you know that if I pay whatever 300-500 rupees for a ticket, at least ये बंदा अपने stunts कर रहा है. Exactly what Tom Cruise also sells, right? I do the stunt. So you don't go to see the Mission Impossible films because हमने recap किया था last film का. It's not a great film, but you know that Tom Cruise is putting his life on the line to entertain us, and then let's see how it turns out. Tiger में वो है. War 2 में you know that it's not these people doing the stunts. They've tried to make those same stunts, big stunts and big, you know, train चलती ट्रेन के ऊपर गाड़ी crash हो रही है, सब कर रहे हैं वो लोग. Which is I would understand that certain audience would like it, but that certain audience can also watch Fast and Furious for that stuff. Larger than life, over the top, unrealistic car stunt उसमें भी है. Mission Impossible के कुछ scenes और stunts to copy, straight up copied है War 2 में.
Wait, कौन सा stunt वैसे?
There is one scene which I remember, Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation में, where in the beginning they gas Tom Cruise in that store and then उसका हाथ आता
वो
है.
फंस जाता है उसके अंदर.
Or they've kind of copied that bit in one scene. There's one scene where वो गाड़ी जो है सीढ़ी से नीचे आती है, वो तो बहुत movies में होता है.
Funny you mentioned that because Mission Impossible 7 में जिन सीढ़ियों से नीचे वो था scene, Fast and the Furious I think 7 या 8 या कुछ में भी exactly same सीढ़ियों पे exactly same वैसा ही एक stunt था.
ये भी वैसा था. Like ये scene AI से बना सकते थे कि उस मूवी का लिया और गाड़ी चेंज कर दी बस.
Is the AI video generating stuff better than आजकल का you know the CGI in a lot of movies?
The CGI in War 2 was very AI type. There's a wolf, right? And we have done a full film called Bhediya where there is a wolf which is animated, which is CGI, but it's doing well. It's sellable. But in War, the movie opens. Ritik's entry is where the wolf. एक तो Ritik comes and says, one thing is that they've not let Ritik act in the film. It is crazy because Ritik throughout the film, and I had seen this reel and I did not understand then. मैंने movie देखी. Throughout the film, Ritik's expression is this. भाई उसकी कनपट्टी पे बंदूक है.
क्या ये गन मुझे will I die at this range?
He's not confused. He's just वो smolder होता है ना जो he's smoldering throughout the
model face ऐसे.
Yeah, exactly.
Cinema hall में क्या release हो रहा है? Hollywood and Bollywood. So Kantara we discussed last time. Sunny Sanskari भी we discussed last time. Tron Ares.
Don't have any shits to give.
हाँ मुझे भी Tron as a series कभी कुछ खास समझ नहीं आई.
हाँ कुछ तो.
As a franchise मुझे even though I love video games but I don't know why I just don't like Tron very much.
ये देख के ही मैं इन्वेस्ट नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ इतना. बस ये War of the Worlds टाइप का पोस्टर है.
हाँ मुझे बस ये भी नहीं समझ आता कि are they going into the video game or is the video game coming out of the you know the game? Is the game coming into the real world or?
And I don't want to know also. It's not that मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा तो मैं curious हूँ तो मैं समझना चाहता हूँ. मुझे परवाह ही नहीं है भाई. जिसको आ रही करो.
What's up with Jared Leto? Why do people hate him? Okay, that will be.
That's a whole recap.
Very easy to answer. Yeah, it was good in American Psycho.
It was good in Dallas Buyers.
Dallas Buyers is the. हाँ ठीक है that. नहीं that's the best one because उसके लिए उसको Oscar मिला था. Requiem for a Dream में भी अच्छा ही था to be fair.
He was in American Psycho also. That was also not a bad. He was Paul Allen.
हाँ that's what I'm saying. American Psycho में ही उसका अच्छा iconic. I think the Joker role really kind of solidified people's hatred towards Jared Leto.
I think the DC universe just screwed him over in general. And he got screwed over in just Zack Snyder. He just got caught up
in the crossfire, basically.
Yeah, in a poorly written universe. And I think maybe he tried to do his best with the Joker, but maybe the Joker was written like that only. Plus,
actually, I don't blame him for that. That's true.
Plus, also he was people were like ये method actor said dead rats, fed rats भेज रहा है. वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा. Like इतना
वो बहुत childish था actually. He had the potential to be a good Joker. It's just I guess it's not his fault कि movie लिखी गलत गई थी.
अरे उससे याद आया Johnny Depp has he's making a film on Modi, bro. It's crazy. He's directing a film. He's making a film called Modi 3 Days on the Wing of Madness.
Damn. कौन से 3 दिन की बात हो रही है?
Is it about surgical strike? Is it
जब Meloni के साथ conference थी 3 दिन की?
Wing of Madness. It's already premiered at the 72nd San Sebastian International Film Festival.
यहाँ भी मोदी को स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिल रहा है.
Oh, but it's not based on Narendra Modi, bro. It's based on Modi Kliani.
Oh, it's seriously, it's not based
It's
on
not.
Modi. Damn.
Oh no, Johnny Depp. how
हमारी
could you,
वाली का
bro?
नाम भी मोदी ही था ना?
हमारी वाली.
नहीं, I'm sure उसका नाम नरेंद्र मोदी होगा. What is this casting, honestly? Why? अमिताभ बच्चन क्यों नहीं बन सकता था भाई मोदी? हम अगर बस इसके बाल वाइट कर दे और चश्मा हटा दें या चश्मा चेंज कर
The
दें,
beard is
he's
the
just a
same.
bit taller. हाँ.
Some KBC thing he did. एक episode he was doing. Some KBC guy he was hosting a KBC episode, and he kicked in the episode से किसी कोई बच्ची आई थी कोई कराटे वराटे वाली, and she was doing something, and he's like मैं भी try करता हूँ, and at this age this guy has kicked all the way over his head, like it came up, all the foot came.
मुझे लगा you're going with कि एक बच्ची आई थी, he kicked her off of the stage. इतनी दूर गिरी वो बच्ची. How is he so strong at 80?
भाई, but today is Amitabh Bachchan's birthday. What date
Really?
is it?
Are you sure?
Oh yes,
Oh.
it's today. Happy
Oh.
birthday Amit ji.
Happy birthday.
I know आप
बच्चन जी.
diligently हमारा weekly recaps देखते हो, मैं जानता हूँ आपने अब तक ट्वीट नहीं किया इसके बारे में, but we are hoping that you will.
Tweet number 7568. Thank you, Desi Recap.
अच्छा, anyway, so UK PM visits Viref Studios, and it's crazy because I stay like 10 minutes away from Viref Studios, but it was crazy because that whole area around Viref, the municipality corporation completely cleaned it up. Like all the trash was gone, the streets were spiffy. I was like, bro, ये मतलब हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम करना चाह नहीं रहे हैं, मूड नहीं है बस उनका करने का.
But वो क्यों अच्छा DDLJ clips क्योंकि DDLJ लंदन में थी. But still, I don't know why he.
They did something. They're doing like an economic thing where 3 Bollywood films will now be shot in the UK as a
Oh.
Disney YRF याद है जो सैफ के साथ था वो same. अब
What the fuck
YRF.
is the YRF London trilogy आने वाली है मतलब?
Yeah, UK trilogy. Gotta say I love YRF, bro. Even though like I thought I could be a part of their projects and contribute to that. They end up giving us work by helping us make new Desi recaps. कह रहे ओ तुमने सैफ ट्रिलॉजी बनाई, एक और ट्रिलॉजी देते हैं हम तुम्हें इंटरनेशनल वाली.
उदय चोपड़ा YRF trilogy, okay.
Oh yeah, oh हाँ वो भी तो है. That's also coming.
Yeah. Script cell मतलब.
So YRF has basically opened up a script cell where they're like, you can send your script into us and we will build and incubate original stories with the writers. But इस पे now there's a whole कलेश happening where people are like कि fine print में ये लिखा है that any submissions are property of YRF and they can use and adapt and whatever they want to do with them they can do. So they don't owe anything to the writer. YRF has come out and clarified कि नहीं, हम ये नहीं बोल रहे, आपने कोई गलत डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ लिया है, ऐसे डिस्क्लेमर्स भी हैं हमारे वेबसाइट पे फॉर समथिंग एल्स, बट दिस इज नॉट अ डिस्क्लेमर फॉर दिस स्पेसिफिक स्क्रिप्ट सेल. स्क्रिप्ट सेल अलग चीज़ है. बट अभी वो इतना शेडी चल रहा है that everybody is kind of in doubt कि legitimately will they take my script and is it like selling it to them with no cost, or will they actually incubate and bring the original writers on board for building the film. तो but initiative अच्छा है. I just feel like the Kings उन्होंने figure out नहीं करे.
They're doing a good job, then it's a good initiative.
It is a nicer way of saying कि अरे तुम्हें मूवी बनानी आती है, हाँ तो खुद बना लेना. नहीं तुझे आता, तुझे तू बोल रहा है ना मुझे स्टोरी लिखना है, तू लिख के भेज, अब तू करेगा, तू बना ले और ये ले, मैं तेरे को फैसिलिटेट कर रहा हूँ, गिविंग यू अ प्लेटफॉर्म which is what you've been asking for. You're saying that you can make better films. Come make.
So
Yes.
I have one rumor that I just heard before we started live कि Kratos की casting हो रही है for the God of War movie and they might be going with Henry Cavill. He's too handsome for these kind of roles. Okay, first of all, I
Kratos
feel.
तो has to be like this really raged out guy.
Rugged guy, old guy ऊपर से.
I don't see it though.
It's
He's
not
too
working
handsome,
at all.
bro. He's
It's
too-
not working. It's not working at all.
Like I wouldn't even put like somebody like Jason Statham as a who's significantly more rugged than Henry Cavill. मैं तो उसको भी नहीं
Also,
रहा.
angry face वाला बंदा जो पूरा हमेशा गुस्सा ही लग रहा है. मैं सोचा था Dave Bautista. That's working. Well, वो Drac जैसे ही लग रहा है, but yeah, it's working.
With a big beard. अच्छा, but now he's become lean. He doesn't want these kind of roles, so now he can't be cast. The Rock as नहीं वो तो उससे तो
Maybe.
नहीं हुआ भाई.
देख लेते हैं दिख कैसा रहा है. Well, body wise तो he is perfect. Bro, he is quite good actually. Good. नए वाले Kratos के लिए तो काफी perfect है ये.
And he's got angry eyes also.
वो raged out वाला जो तू कह रहा है actually fits the Rock very well. ये कौन है?
this guy, Jason Momoa could do a
Look at one. That could be perfect actually.
Jason
Body wise भी.
Momoa.
Bobby Deol would kill it. एक बार ये भी लिख. Bobby Deol has great.
You know, I gotta say that's a solid suggestion.
Yeah, he's
He's
not
kind
even
of
looking bad.
yeah, he could really do a good job. उसने अभी
Actually,
डैड
शक्ल
का
सबसे ज्यादा इसकी मैच हो रही है.
उसने अभी एक ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड डैड का रोल भी किया है.
Raged out वाला.
Yeah, I
Bro,
think he
सच में
can,
शक्ल इसकी बेस्ट मैच हो रही है.
he's got a Kratos in him, bro. Bobby Deol is our choice for Kratos in Hollywood. जैसे casting की बात करें तो Fantastic Beasts released some Dumbledore first look, which I've not seen yet.
Why are they saying Fantastic Beasts? It's the Harry Potter
हाँ, the
TV show.
universe.
हाँ, बोला. For third photo.
Oh, so this is this guy only, the guy who played Slughorn. नहीं.
He hasn't been in Harry Potter. He played एक second यार Churchill.
I feel like the greater criticism is कि हैरी पॉटर के यूनिवर्स में सारी नए कास्टिंग भी सेम ही लग रहे हैं जो ओरिजिनल मूवी में थे, तो क्या ही बदल रहे हो?
कि तुम बुक के बजाय तुम पिछली मूवी को अपना वो ले रहे हो रेफरेंस पॉइंट.
Also, who is the audience for this?
They're trying to do the I think Pokemon thing. Pokemon obviously पुराना शो एग्जिस्ट करता, पुराने गेम्स एग्जिस्ट करते, बट यू नीड टू कीप bringing out more content or redoing it ताकि और छोटे बच्चे same way में I think that's what they're trying to do.
No, I get that, and that worked for Percy Jackson.
I think then we can go to DC recommendations, which is our final
Yes.
segment.
What are you watching this week on television?
I have been watching the Tarantino movies because all of them have come on Netflix. UK में, I don't know in India.
Oh,
And it's just such a good time actually Tarantino movies देखना. I watched Reservoir Dogs for the first time.
I think मैंने कॉलेज में तो नहीं देखी थी, because कॉलेज में तो मुझे पल्प फिक्शन भी समझ नहीं आई थी. मैंने कहा क्या बनाया है बोरिंग सा.
Pulp Fiction भी पहली बार हाँ नहीं समझ आती है actually.
Then I was like, oh अच्छा, linear filmmaking के अलावा भी और चीजें होती हैं जो आप कर सकते हो. सिनेमा भी होता है कुछ.
Though to be fair, the way they did the out of order जो क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको non-chronological thingy whatever
Yeah.
non-linear. Reservoir Dogs made work so well because the twist happens
Yeah.
because of the non-linear
It
flashback.
is dependent on the
Non-linearity.
hit is dependent on that. I rewatched Final Destination Bloodlines, that one that came out, and I realized that it's one of the best, it's one of the best Final Destination films because it actually has a plot beyond एक accident हुआ फिर death उनको मारने आ रही है. It does tie back to a larger history and the whole where did the film start, and it kind of ties the whole thing together neatly with a ribbon. I also started watching Alice in Borderland, which is
season 3 आ गया ना.
but I didn't know, so I was watching season 1 first episode. It was interesting. Entirely hooked yet. I've only finished the first episode, but I feel like it is something that if I get into like a couple episodes, it will reel me in. These are
It's
two
like
things.
Squid Game, I think.
It's a little fantastical. These guys get pulled into an alternate reality,
Oh,
and
अच्छा.
then they have to basically think Squid Games. Now you have to do it in, if you're living in London, you're in a different alternate reality of London, and it's only the contestants that are there in that show.
मतलब mirror dimension type.
I think so.
Siddhant says Gen V new season is crazy, bro.
It's
I
crazy
disagree.
bad, bro.
मैंने season episode 5 तक देखा. Nothing's happening.
I think that's what Siddhant is like. It's crazy. Up until now, boys और Gen V में कुछ तो हो रहा था. How did they manage to greenlight a whole season where nothing is happening at all?
Yeah, nothing's happening. It just feels like season 4 of The Boys इतना सब कुछ stakes बढ़ गए हैं, and now we're just like so low stakes.
अब college में आ गए वापस. So what did you watch, Nikhil, last week, other than Tarantino?
The way Tarantino movies ही देख रहा था. Actually मैं अपने पूरे free time में, बाकी time तो हम कॉल पे बिजी थे. Have I watched anything else? मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
Oh yeah, you watched Neil and Nikki.
Yeah, that is not. I would not recommend it. Please, just watch our recap instead, ताकि
Yeah.
आपको मूवी ना देखनी पड़े. Sir, वो Diddy party की dates मिल जाती तो. By the way, Diddy got 4 years. Only 4 years.
And he got 2 pre-served in that. He got 4 years, जिसमें से 2 were waived off because they were like time already, there's something time served.
Statute of limitations type.
नहीं, they have a time served model in the US where they're like आपको 10 साल की सजा दी, पर आपने पहले 3 साल आप already जेल में रह चुके हो during the processes.
Has
So
it
you
been 2 years since he was arrested?
maybe he was arrested for something else or whatever, but it has been, हाँ 2 साल हो गए ना डिडी को.
2 साल हो गए क्योंकि 1 साल पहले तो हम ये डिडी बेबी ऑयल वाले जोक्स मार रहे थे
24 23 में 24 के बिगिनिंग में शुरू हुआ था ये 23 एंड 24 बिगिनिंग
हाँ हाँ 24
हाँ तो
beginning
25 हो गया 25 एंड हो रहा है तो
oh
फिर
my god
ऑलमोस्ट
it's
2 साल
always been 2 years huh that means he served half but then okay the point is why only 4 years this guy did some really
I don't know what the
uh,
proof, but even if it was just on that assault video that we've seen in the hotel,
हाँ
उसी पे ही कितने साल मिल जाने चाहिए भाई इस बंदे को.
and that's the only thing I caught on camera तो just imagine
Yeah.
It is definitely corruption मतलब नहीं तो किसी और को कितने I think इससे काफी कम crimes के लिए लोगों को इससे काफी ज्यादा देर की incarceration मिलती है मतलब he was straight up running a whole Epstein type thing bro मतलब 4 years is nothing और उसमें से भी 2 साल हो गए हैं clearly Epstein में भी इतने high profile लोग हैं कि that's why the list will never come out nice trial Diddy
Oh yeah, it's right there.
nice trial Diddy
Nice
जिसका result
Good night, guys. Thank you so much for joining. And next time we'll be here with another recap. Bye bye. Good night. Shabba khair.
Thanks for joining thank you